Dear student, good afternoon. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah at home in this moment. I am also well. I am Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Sunutia Bazar, Jamalpur Sodor, Jamalpur. Welcome you to online class. Today I want to discuss about a incomplete passage and matching sentence. Look at the whiteboard. I have written an incomplete sentence and some words in the box. First, I want to discuss about incomplete passage. Do you know how to fill up the passage? Look at this. There is a box and below a passage has given 10 gaps. You have to fill up these gaps, appropriate word in the box. When you fill up, at first you read the words in the box and try to understand the meaning of the words. Next, you will read the passage 2 or 3 times and try to the meaning of the passage. Look at this. There are 10 words. Read the passage and words. Morning, visit, see, walk, beach, vacation, afternoon, before, bed, curiosity. I think that you know this meaning of the words. Read the passage. During the last autumn dash, we some friends went on a dash to Cox's Bazar. We reached there in the dash and put up in a hotel near the dash beach. I had never seen the sea dash. So I had a dash to see the sea. In the next dash, when we got up from dash, we went to take a dash on the sea dash. Now try to fill up the gaps according to meaning. At first, you will try number A. Which word is appropriate? Number A. During the last autumn dash. Last autumn dash. What will be here? Read the words in the box. During the last autumn vacation. Vacation is appropriate for A. Vacation. It will be vacation. During the last autumn vacation, we have got number A. Next, we some friends went on a dash. We some friends went on a dash. What will be here? Visit. We some friends went on a visit to Cox's Bazar. We reached there in the dash. It indicates any time. Which word is appropriate for C? You have to find time. We reached there in the afternoon. Afternoon. It will be here. Afternoon. We reached there in the afternoon and put up in a hotel near the dash beach. Dash beach, it will be a noun. Sea beach. The number sea beach. I had never seen the sea dash. I had never seen the sea dash. What will be here? Before. So I had dash to see the sea. So I had a dash curiosity Curiosity to see the sea. See, look at this. It is sea, it is sea. But its meaning is difference. Spelling is difference, but pronunciation is same. In the next dash, when we got up from dash, in the next, it will be here any time. In the next morning, when we got up from what will be here, bed. Got up from bed, we want to take a dash, take a walk on the sea beach. Have you got only key words from all gaps? Can I write it on the whiteboard? Look at this again. Number A, vacation. Number B, we went to a visit. Number C, we reached there in the dash time, afternoon. Number D number, hotel near the dash beach, sea beach. E number E, I had never seen the sea before. F number, before, so I had a dash, curiosity. F. G number, in the next dash, it indicates time, morning. H number, we got up from dash, from bed. Number I number, we want to take a dash, take a walk. Last number J, take a walk on the sea beach. It will be sea beach. Is it clear? Is there any problem? There is no problem. Can I clean it? Now I am going to teach you about matching words, matching sentence, how to fill up the table. There are some words, column A and column B. At first, read the words and try to realize the meaning of the words. Next, you have to write 5 complete sentence, meaningful sentence of these words from column A and column B. At first, read the words. It is the parts of a sentence. Once a stream. Number 2, there lived an ant. One day the ant went while drinking water. He shouted. Right side. Beside the stream, the ant fell into the running water loudly for help. to the stream to drink water ran through a green field. Have you realized? Now try to write 5 complete sentences from this table. Number 1, when you write on your exercise khata, you have to write only 5 sentences. You don't draw a table in your exercise khata. Now try to write number 1. Number 1. Once a stream. Once a stream. What will be is related once a stream. Once a stream, I think it will be last number. Ran through a green field. Ran through. Once a stream ran through a green field. A green field. It is complete sentence. It is meaningful sentence. Number 2. There lived an ant. Think deeply. What is related? Number 2. There lived an ant. There lived an ant. And what will be related with number 2? There lived an ant beside the stream. Beside the stream. Beside the stream. Number 3. Number 3. One day the ant went. One day the ant went. Think deeply what is related. Number 3. One day the ant went to the stream to drink water. To the stream to drink water. To the stream to drink water. Number 4. While drinking water. While drinking water. What will be here next part of number 4? While drinking water, the ant. I think it will be number 2. The ant fell. The ant fell into the running water. Into the running water. Last number. Look at the sentences. Number 5. He shouted. He shouted loudly for help. Have you understood? I have written 5 complete sentences, 5 meaningful sentences in this system you have to write sentences on your exercise khata. Is there any problem? If there any problem, you can ask some question. I think if you study more and more, you will good in English. Yeah, we know that English is an international language. If you study at home more and more, it will be very easy for you. Thank everyone. See again next class. Goodbye.